How to find liked reels on Facebook, quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to find liked reels on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Facebook profile and you can open it up on your mobile phone or your PC. So it works the same on an iPhone or on Android phone. So here we are, and what we're going to do is we will simply open up our Facebook profile, and you can see we have what's on your mind option, and then we have stories or reels. So we can switch to stories and reels, and we're going to go to reels right here. Now you just have to open up one of the reels. It's the easiest way to get to your liked reels on Facebook. I will open this one up. You can see this is one of the reels. And I have liked this reel as well so that I can show you that it is added to my liked reels. Here you will find this profile icon at the top right of the screen. Click on it and it will open up your Reels profile for you. You can see I have my Reels and liked Reels option. Switch to liked Reels, and this is where you will be able to find the Reels that you have liked. And this page is only visible to you. Now you can access all the Reels that you have liked on Facebook. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.